All right, guys, let me give you 3 things to stop doing if you're looking to lose weight. Number 1, I want you to stop counting calories. For starters, you have no idea how many calories you should be intaking on the daily basis. It's different for everyone. Different for how old you are, gender, kind of job you have. There's no possible way for you to understand how many calories you should be intaking. And besides that, calorie counting isn't a sustainable tactic. You might be able to count calories for a week, maybe even a month. You get frustrated and all the weight comes back. Number 2, stop exercising. I know this might be contradictory to everything you've ever heard or read, but focus on the nutrition first. Exercise is only about 10% of the issue. Focus on that 90% to get you healthy. Also, most people don't exercise correctly and don't know what they're doing. The third piece is once you start exercising, your appetite increases. You don't have the portions and nutrition under control. You're just running around in circles. And the third thing is stop eating late. Typically when you're eating late, it's not the best meal for you anyways, and then that meal is just being stored and stored as fat. So try and eat at least 3 hours before your bedtime. Start with these 3 tips and you'll lose weight every week.